VANEST Scrap Metal Shredder Machine is a metal shredder that delivers powerful capabilities. These versatile shredders can handle solid material, especially for shredding and recycling your scrap metal, including scrap steel, iron, metal, copper, aluminum, stainless steel, plastic, rubber, tires, wood, cable wire, PCB board, foam, sponge, household waste, kitchen waste, etc. The blade holder and blade on the rotor can be disassembled for easy cleaning and maintenance. Each moving knife has 4 cutting edges, which can be rotated 90 degrees after wear to continue to use. The main shaft is driven by the gear reduction box, running smoothly, low noise, large torque. Adopt PLC program control system can automatically reverse, make the machine run stably. The box body is welded and tempered after welding to eliminate the welding stress. The installation position of moving knife is precisely machined by machining center to ensure that the clearance between each moving knife and fixed knife is the same. The moving tool holder is embedded in the tool shaft with high-strength screws and can prevent welding type after long-term vibration caused by the phenomenon of knife drop. Convenient transportation after tearing can reduce transportation cost, increase transportation efficiency, convenient secondary processing. Before ordering, please contact us for more details now.